guys! Today I think I'm going to film like a day in the life, like a family day in the life. It's my husband's day off today and tomorrow, so it's going to be like we're going to have two, like a weekend day in the life, let's say, even though we're midweek. But my husband only gets 2 days off. Today it's Wednesday and we have got some really nice things planned. We haven't seen much of my husband. We went away to Wales last week, and the last few weeks he's had to go into work on his day off. So yeah, today we are going to go to a local transport museum that we've not been to before. My little boy is obsessed with anything with wheels, and tomorrow we're going to like a Softplay thing. I've never been before. It's got amazing reviews and everybody keeps recommending it to me, so we're going to take him there and I can't wait. I love these like kind of slow family days. My husband's just taken my little boy to work. He accidentally took some keys home that he wasn't supposed to take home, so he's just gone to drop those back off, and he's taken my little boy Didier with him. I'm at home with the baby, my little girl Nina, who is 2 months old, and he's just rang me to ask what I want for breakfast, and I think he's going to be making waffles. If you can't tell by this face, that is a happy face. I can't wait. So this is like one of the things that I love about like my husband being home, and we just have like a really like nice long family breakfast all together. I can't wait. So I'm gonna go make a coffee now because I've been up since 6 o'clock I think, with little one, and yeah, I'll just take you along with us. Waffles! Do you have to wear a hat in there? Check that. It's not apples, oranges. Hold my hand, please.
been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
She's just smiling. Hello, Didi. It is 5 to 7. It's pitch black outside. We had a really nice day today. We went to a transport museum. Matt made us waffles, and we then drove home from the transport place, and we had a look at a few houses. Just driving around the neighbourhood, look at the ones that are for sale. The ones that we like, we are looking at buying a house, which is very exciting. There's a lot that we need to think about. We've got a very good sized deposit, but we're just looking for like a nice area. We really like the area that we live in, and there's a really nice house across the road that we would really quite like, but it's probably about 10 grand out of our budget, but we really want it. We're really comfy where we are, so that's why we're just having a little look around the area really. So that's what we spent the afternoon doing, and then Matt made burritos, like veggie burritos, so we've just finished eating those, and we've just bathed both babies, and Matthew is now putting Didier to bed. So on his days off, that's his job, putting the baby to bed, putting our little one to bed. I didn't really vlog much this afternoon. I am mindful that I don't really want to be on my phone too much, so yeah, I haven't really vlogged too much this afternoon, but I am doing a 2-day vlog because Matt's off for he always has 2 days in a row, and that's when we tend to do the majority of our family time things. So tomorrow we are going to Redditch, to a Softplay centre called 360. Never been before, never been to Redditch. But I've just heard really good things, so we're gonna go there. So that'll be nice. I think it's bright and early tomorrow morning, so that's gonna be fun. It's at 7 o'clock, and I feel like it's about 10 o'clock. But yeah, so I'll just leave it here for now, and I will pick it up tomorrow.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer.
Un dauphin. Did you say it? Dauphin. Good boy. Elle est où la petite souris? La petite souris? You show Dada with your finger? No. Where is it? La souris? Yeah. Il est où?
Un bateau.
Bateau. Yeah.
Bum. Bum.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
We had a really nice day in the Softplay, and I really wanted to film it, but of course I didn't really think that through today. There's other kids there, and obviously I don't want to be filming that, do I? But yeah, we've just had a really nice 2 days. This is kind of what we get up to when my husband's off. And now, me and my husband are going to live out. This is our favourite snack mix. I love these salted caramel pretzels, sweet and salty, popcorn, Maltesers. We don't usually put those in, but I grabbed them. And also crispy M&Ms. I'm going to finish off watching Black Mirror downstairs. Bye guys!